Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This is a cozy home in a quiet neighborhood. It boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a front and back porch. It has generous kitchen, a washroom, living and dining rooms, and an upstairs balcony perfect for relaxing and looking out at the sea. There is a private backyard for kids or pets and will encourage gardening. The living room and 1 bedroom are air-conditioned, and there is water tank on the roof for emergency supplies. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $27 million, or US, $175.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.